so we're being asked to calculate the average power of this signal x of t equals 3 cosine 4 pi t plus 2 sine 6 pi t. Now we could go ahead and use the definition for average power, the integral, but that would be a little bit time consuming in this case. The best way to do it is to use the relation um, that for a signal that assumes the form, something like a cosine 2 pi ft plus some phi, the average power for a signal that looks like this will be a squared over 2. So this is pretty simple. In this case, it would be our first a is 3, our second a is 2. So this would be as simple as 3 squared over 2 plus 2 squared over 2. 3 squared is 9 over 2 is 4.5 plus 2 squared over 2 is 4. 4 over 2 is 2. So this equals 6.5. So C is the correct answer for average power.